This is awkward.
Okay. Anywhere
Ano gusto mo, Joven?
Mami.
Ha?
Saan tayo?
McDonald's? Kala ko ba Wendy's?
McDonald's?
Sangyup.
Hindi ba tayo kakain muna? Bago tayo mag-grocery.
Don't video me.
Ayaw niya ate Pop naman.
It's for Wendy's.
I need to buy Manila paper.
Mommy!
Akala ko ano tayo yun.
Mommy!
Oh my God! Guys!
I'm gonna buy a plushie. I have money.
Mommy!
Yes. Ano?
So, when it's for Wendy's. And dogs it's for dogs.
Go with Bang, let's choose plushies.
Akala ko ba mag-ano ka ng locker?
Si Daddy daw magbabayad.
Ng locker mo?
Oh, basta babayaran mo yung pot. Oh, maglilinis ka ng bahay.
Grabe naman yan. Ano yan? Katulong?
Katulong. Kung magre-reklamo sa akin, sabihin, katusan ng anak mo.
Pag pinagalitan mo, 2 araw akong di kinibo. Oh. Pag teenager na, hindi na love si Mami. Yung mga friends na lang ang love.
I have a lot of friends. And so when you have a lot of friends,
Ano na? A lot of friends.
when you have a lot of friends, when you are teenage too,
Ano?
you hate your mom. But if you have plenty of friends, so when you are teenage too, you love your mom.
Ah, daming alam.
So,
Sakit ng ulo ni Mami.
let's think of happy things.
What? Bestie is alive. Ano ka na? Saan mo gusto?
Wendy's.
Wendy's? Ayun ang Wendy's, oh. Ayun ang Wendy's. Eh, tatawid tayo. Come on. You don't want to eat at Shakey's? Eh, Shakey's daw tayo eh. Sabihin mo kay Daddy. Hey! Kay Daddy. Ano, Shakey's na? Happy birthday, Ate Pot.
I'm not eating at Wendy's. I'm not eating at Wendy's.
Ay, bakit? Bakit?
I don't want. Wait, no.
Do you know that ano, Mommy worked here before? Ha?
Didn't know.
You didn't know, Mommy. Nag-work dito si Mommy. Sa Shakey's before. Hindi mo alam? O, saan mo gusto? Wendy's o Shakey's? Nagulo ko.
Got a friend.
Ay, Wendy's? Fries and ano? Ano lang gusto? Fries and chicken ang gusto mo? Meron dito Mojo's, potato, and chicken. Oh.
Oh, anong gusto niya ito? Ha?
Oy, Pod, ano daw gusto?
I want rice.
Oh my God, you like this? I knew it.
Oo, yan niya.
That's you. That's your face.
Ano ba yung mga sticker ba yan?
Okay, now check back on the stickers again.
Oh, this means Bertie shared this. This one's for
How much do you have?
Kapag isa ka lang.
Now they'll
Okay,
count.
ito ka lang.
I'm not only allowing you to pick 5. Because I love 5.
I'm gonna do this.
You're gonna pick the book.
I'm gonna be so practice.
Yeah, for what?
Pili talaga ng bata. Oh, yan. Nauntog na yung ulo. Ouch. Sakit. Talaga naman. Ako lalong sumasakit ang ulo ko sa'yo eh. Lalo nang sumakit yung ulo ko sa'yo. Masakit na, lalo pang sumakit.
I wanted that so late. I was about to say that.
I was trying to make a YouTube show about falling for what then is Sorry. Yo, that looks so ugly. Wait! Not to
Dati, mas malaki yung menu namin dito. Taga Shakey's. Hindi, yung nag-work tayo sa Shakey's before. Mas malaki dito. Teka lang aking bunso.
Is it like a DC?
What if we bought the slushy
Ay,
one?
Tita, I think.
Zombie one. You were exactly right.
Because it was.
Because different ang selling. I love standard one. You love zombie.
Kunin mo ba?
Zombie and
O, sige. Kailan na ba yung birthday nito? Monday.
Full name?
Siyempre, alam mo mang nickname ang ilagay. Saturday na. Monday pa ang birthday ni Ate Pot, right? Pero si Daddy wala. Out of town. Kaya ngayon mag-celebrate si Pot Pot.
Gusto mo burger?
I bought it here.
Yeah, burger. Ayan,
I don't know my cellphone number.
Ako na lang. 091 31
Tapos,
Yun lang.
Oh.
How's the carbonara? Bangs.
thank you.
How's the carbonara?
Oh, isa sa inyo.
That's the chicken.
Laki naman yun.
Favorite mo yan, di ba? Chicken. Ano gusto mo? Legs or wings? Wings? Ito, may chicken, may legs yata. Ito.
Bang.
Aking punso, ito na lang. Okay? You want wings?
It's more than this.
Aday.
Also, faster to use.
Ayun, Mr. Ian. But they were playing better than me. Apo, Daddy, look. Everybody's on level. Di ba yun? Bottle that game. Jeopardize. Apo, Daddy. Why do I see every charisma everywhere?
It's getting popular.
Baby boy, kanta mo na si Ate Bangs. Si Ate Bangs. Si Ate Pot. Oh. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano yun? Ano nangyari? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ate Pot. Uy, hindi mo na kinantahan si Ate Pot.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday,
Mabilis.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Pot. I love you. My sweetie girl. Grabe ka naman, Bangs. Punas. Happy birthday, Ate Pot. 15 years old, pwede nang mag... 6'17 pa, nakakakuha ng non-pro. Woo!
1,000 bucks yung sumang.
Ano yan, Bell?
Mommy, that actually did a good job.
Oh, good job. Nag-ring ng bell.
Then where's the bell?
Ayun. Ayun yung bell.
That part is
Kumain ka ng pizza, Joben.
Ayan, dalawang ticket mo.
That's olive.
Dalawa na yung chicken mo. Malalagdag.
You know, someone who likes to eat olive, since you don't like olive. You guys are gonna be together.
Ano pa ba ang ulam?
Yeah.
Hindi ba tayo kompleto?
Di ba? Sa pizza.
Yeah, that's the olive. Who did that?
What is this? Mommy, what is this? What is this for?
Wait, it's just a big...
Thai part.
Ganda.
What?
Yes. Ah, so breast pala. Breast pala yan. Yung great Ate Pot, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay. Ano?
Happy birthday.
Ano, Bangs? Nilalamig ako. Bawal niya si baby boy.
You know there was an icon in the bathroom.
Ah, kaya pala malamig.
Is it awkward? Is it not?
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.